In this video, we will get to know about the add-ons of User Meta Pro. Go to User Meta then Add-on, here. There are free add-ons included in the Pro version to serve specific needs. Some are to integrate with popular platforms and some to extend usability or gain more control. First, Add-on User List is for displaying users. Activate it by toggling and then click the Options button. In the first tab Front-end Setup, you can select a page with the given shortcode to show the public profile informations. Second tab is for Shortcode Guide. You can use the shortcodes in your website. The last tab is for including or excluding any fields from the user list table. Second is WooCommerce. Here you can add personal information in WC Profile tab. You can also add fields in the registration form in the WC Registration. In the WC Checkout, you can customize your WooCommerce checkout page. Next, if you want to translate plugins text, simply activate the WPML integration. From the BuddyPress X Profile Export add-on, you can export BuddyPress data with UMP Export tool. You can even control the functions by enabling or disabling to avoid any plugin confliction from the Switch Filter or Action Hooks add-on. Override default WordPress emails gives you the option to override default emails with User Meta Pro generated emails. By activating the Personalize Default User Meta Forms, you can personalize your login, lost password and reset passwords label, heading, placeholder and so on. Most important add-on is Restrict Content. Enable the checkbox to display the form when login is needed to access. You can also edit the notifications. Finally, if you activate the Author Box add-on, you can customize your author box information and the style of the box according to your want. If you want to know details of the add-ons, there are videos of them. The link will be given in the description. Hope that this video will be helpful for the overview of the User Meta Pro plugin. Thank you for watching.